Hello and welcome. This is DevTube with unboxing of the package. That's right, I think it's a soldering iron. Let's see. This video is not sponsored. I purchased it with my own money. It comes with 5 spare tips, different geometries, a holder and cleaning sponge combo. Very nice, I like this. Plastic cap, an extra tip, rubber handle. This is the newacalox. Yeah, this is my second one actually. I have one in blue, 220 volts, 60 watts. It's a thermostat controlled, and again European plug. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you, have a good one.